All right, greetings everyone. Hope you're all doing great. And then I also trust that the Forex class is coming along fine with you. Okay, so today we'll be looking at the market participants. All right. Yes, in the Forex market, there are participators that provide the liquidity in the market. Okay. Yes, participators also here, I mean, for you to buy, there should be people on the other side who are willing to sell, right? For you to sell, there should also be people on the other side who are willing to buy. All right. So um, let's go to what we have here. All right. So introduction. Okay, the foreign exchange market, commonly known as the forex market, is the largest and most liquid financial market in the world. It operates 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, and trades over $5 trillion worth of currencies daily. The forex market is made up of various participants, each with a unique role and impact on the market. Understanding the different market participants is crucial to develop a comprehensive understanding of the forex market. Yes, so as you can see, one of the participants here is the central banks. Okay, so your country's central bank participate in the forex market. That's huge, right? That's incredible. Okay, so central banks are government institutions, of course. In case if you don't know what a central bank is, right? So these government institutions, they are responsible for managing a country's monetary policy and currency. All right, they play a significant role in the forex market by setting interest rate, controlling the money supply, and intervening in the market to stabilize their currency value. Central banks often use forex reserve to buy or sell currencies to influence exchange rates and maintain economic stability. Yes. So the central bank of different countries, the central bank of Nigeria, central bank of Cameroon, Ghana central bank, and all of that, they are all participants in the forex market. All right. So who are the next set of participants? Right. The next is investment managers and hedge funds. Are we together? Yeah. Okay. Who are investment managers and hedge funds? Okay, investment managers and hedge funds are institutional investors. Oh dear, I need to plug in my system. All right, thank you. So they are institutional investors that trades large volume of currencies on behalf of their clients. They use various strategies such as carry trades and currency hedging. All right. When we get into the analysis properly, you will get to know what hedging means. Okay, to generate returns and manage risks. So investment managers and hedge funds also engage in currency speculation, buying and selling currencies based on their analysis of the market trends and economic data. All right. So you can become a hedge fund manager also. Well, let me finish with all of this, then I'll put it all together. Okay, so the next are the commercial banks. Okay, so commercial banks are financial institutions that facilitate forex transactions for their clients, such as individual corporation and other banks. They act as market makers, buying and selling currencies at bid ask spread to earn profit. Commercial banks also engage in currency speculation, buying and holding currencies in the hope of profiting from changes in exchange rates. All right, so let's go to the next. Retail traders. Retail traders are individual investors who trade currencies through online forex brokers. All right. They make up a significant portion of the forex market with millions of traders around the world. Retail traders often use leverage, which allows them to control large positions with a small amount of capital. They also use various technical and fundamental analysis to make trading decisions. All right. So let's tie it all together. First, let me ask you. You that is taking this course, of course, you intend to trade forex, okay? So that means you are one of the participants when you eventually fund your account or get a pro firm account and start trading, right? So when you begin trading or you are already trading, which category do you fall into? We've mentioned four of these, right? Yes. So the category you fall into is the last category, retail traders. All right. Look at what it says. Retail traders are individual investors who trade currencies through online forex broker. You see that? Yes. So you trade through online forex broker. We will get to talk about brokerage, okay? That should be maybe in the next video or next two videos. All right, we talk about brokerage. So you are trading online with your mobile phone, with your laptop. All right, you participate in the forex market. So your category is in retail trading. All right, but you can grow. You can grow. You're not limited to just be a retail trader. You know what retail means? There are people who they only sell in bulk. All right. Yes, they are, what are they called now? Wholesalers. Yes, wholesalers, right? Then retail traders, they buy from wholesalers and then they sell to the final consumers, right? So what does it mean? It means retail traders, they sell at a few, right? They don't sell in bulk. So it is less expensive to become a retail trader than to become a wholesaler, right? So that is me explaining retail trading for you. It means that with your $100, right, you can come in and become a retail trader. Even some brokers allow as low as $10. You can come and become a retail trader, right? But you cannot be a trade as a commercial bank with $10. That does not make sense. It's not possible, right? So don't say I am too big to be a retail trader. Okay, yes, you can have that as a vision, all right, but your current capital brings you into this group, all right, of retail traders. Even if you have $500,000 equity and you're trading it, you are still a retail trader. Okay, so but regardless, you can grow, okay, to becoming an investment manager or a hedge fund manager. Are we together? Yes. So at this point, look at the definition we have. You said investment managers and hedge funds are institutional investors, okay, that trade large volume of currencies on behalf of their clients. Okay, so when you would have gained proficiency and mastery in forex trading, all right, so you can open a hedge fund firm, all right, where investors can come in with their money, all right, and you manage their money for them. Note this, they trade large volumes. Are you seeing it? Large volumes, okay? So here we mean you're managing $50 million, things like that. That's large volume of money. Are we together? Yeah, so at that you are a hedge fund manager, all right? So you can dream, even as you are a retail trader, you can have a plan to grow to become a hedge fund manager, all right? You can have a dream to grow to become a commercial bank trader, all right? Banks can see the rate of your profitability as a retail trader and employ you. Depending on the commercial bank in the country where you reside, it could be the UBA, United Bank of Africa. It could be the Zenith Bank. It could be First Bank. It could be even Barclays Bank. It could be JP Morgan and all of that. So, but banks, all right, can employ you to trade for them. So, as a retail trader, you can have such goals. You can have such goals. You can say, oh no, I just want to be a retail trader. I want to trade my own funds. I want to grow my own funds. Yes, I'm starting with $100, but definitely I have a goal that my money is going to, grow to $100,000, $300,000, even $1 million, and the hedge fund I'll be managing will become my own funds, and I will not be under any form of pressure to pay anybody his ROI and all of that. That's beautiful, right? So it all depends on what you want, all right? One of my mentor, one of his goals is to become a hedge fund manager. He's a retail trader and he's doing amazingly well. All right, but he told us his goal. He said his goal is to be a hedge fund manager, and he mentioned the name of the person who he wants to manage his funds. Are we together now? All right, so that is how it plays out. Okay, you can even be so good that the central bank of your country can absorb you. All right, so this is for you to understand that forex is not gambling. Okay, it's a career. It's a career, okay? So you can decide to grow in this field of profession, all right? So let's take our conclusion here. In summary, the forex market is made up of various participants, each with a unique role, all right? A unique role and impact on the market. Central banks, commercial banks, investment managers, and hedge funds, okay, managers and retail traders, all contribute to the liquidity and volatility of the market. Understanding the different market participants and their interaction is crucial to developing a comprehensive understanding of the forex market and making informed trading decisions. All right, so I believe we've been able to explore, okay, these. Now you may be asking, how do central banks commercial banks trade? You know those your money that you deposit in commercial banks, okay? Yes, they put them into trading. They put them into trading. So that's why some persons are of the view, instead of leaving your money in the bank, why don't you learn forex trading and grow your money by yourself? All right. Yeah, the beauty of leaving your money in the bank is that you're not taking any risk. Your money is there. Whenever you go, you withdraw it, right? So the bank is taking the risk. Whether they lose or they don't, whether they win or they don't, is not your business, all right? But when you are the one trading your money, of course, you have to make up your mind, okay, to also be able to avert some risk, all right? Yes, and manage your risk, better said. Yes, manage your risk, okay? So I want to encourage you to take this course seriously, all right? We are just beginning. We are just beginning. We can see we are just reading and explaining, all right? So the time is coming when we'll go into the chat and start doing the real thing, all right? But it's a step at a time. It's good you understand all of this phase, okay? Because when you get into the market, when you remember, my dream is to be a hedge fund manager, you will not get discouraged. Even when at those beginning phases you maybe encounter some losses or your emotions and all of that, you feel like, should I quit? Should I not? Do you understand? Let this inspire you, okay? That you can manage funds, your own or that of other people, in millions of dollars. It is possible. Are we together now? Yes, and Forex Market has that. It has that liquidity. There is volume in the market. There is volume in the market. You can imagine a market that does over 5 trillion US dollars turnover daily. It means there is volume in the market and it has the capacity to give you that kind of money. Yes. All right. Thank you so much. And I'll see you in the next class. Thank you.